Disabling two-factor authentication on YouTube TV can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account associated with YouTube TV. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your account security options. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see the two-step verification option. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Turn off two-step verification. On the two-step verification page, you will find an option to turn it off. Click on the Turn Off button and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-step verification, review your security settings to ensure everything is as you prefer. Make any necessary adjustments to your account security. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on YouTube TV. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.